welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Belgaum Kolhapur traders decide to stop supply of essential products to Goa from Wednesday. Oppose toll on border. Goa government says no need to worry. Government to introduce health insurance scheme again in June. Health Minister assures in the House. Postgraduate doctors to serve in PHCs and CHCs. Churchill sings oppose Mopa tune again. Alliance with Raja Rao gracious. Reminds people of Save Goa party. Shares dais with UGTP Vice President. Loni truck owners from Goa up in arms against private sector banks, angry for not waiving off penal interest on their outstanding loans, threaten dharna, legal course of action. High Court restrains Kolva Village Panchayat from issuing any new licenses for multi-dwelling residential or commercial buildings. Directions as Panchayat failed to arrangement for collection and disposal of waste. And ESIC multi-speciality hospital in Margao to be operational by October. 100 ESIC multi-speciality hospitals in North Goa too. And now the news in detail. Transporters from Maharashtra and Karnataka have decided not to transport essential commodities to Goa from Wednesday. They have demanded complete rollback on entry tax. Chambers from Belgaum, Kolhapur and nearby districts resolved this in their meet on Wednesday. Horticulture Corporation Chairman Kiran Kandolkar says that the threat is just an election stunt by the chambers. Transportation from Goa linked transporters will continue.
Transporters plying vegetables and other essential commodities from Belgaum and Kolhapur have decided not to carry any goods from Thursday following introduction of entry tax in Goa. All India Motor Transport Congress has demanded rollback of entry tax. Transporters claim that additional entry toll will add a burden of at least 30,000 rupees a month for a transporter.
कोल्हापूर जिल्ह्यातून गोवा राज्यामध्ये होणारी पूर्ण वाहतूक बंद करण्याचा निर्णय घेण्यात आलेला आहे. जोपर्यंत एंट्री टॅक्सचा निर्णय होत नाही तोपर्यंत वाहतूक बंद राहील. बेळगावनी बंद घेतलाय, कारवार बेंगलोर सुद्धा बंद होईल. आणि सिंधुदुर्ग जिल्ह्यात सुद्धा मालाची वाहतूक केली जाणार नाही. बरोबर सांगली, कराड, सातारा सुद्धा इथून मालाची वाहतूक केली जाणार नाही.
Horticulture Corporation Chairman Kiran Kandolkar has slammed the transporters for this decision. He said that strike was an election gag from chambers and Goa will not be deterred by such gimmicks. He claimed that Goa-linked transporters will continue goods transportation.
म्हाका जे हॉर्टिकल्चर लागतं, ज्यो 33 गाडयो येता सांगल्यान, तितून हे सगळे आमच्या गाडयेकार एग्री आहात. हे जे डिसिजन जे जाल्ले आहा तेंचो कोणाचोच विरोध ना. हांव म्हाज्यान अशें म्हणूं येता की जे कर्नाटकान आतां जो हे इलेक्शन चलता, ह्या इलेक्शनाचो एक ते स्टंट करता. बेळगांव वो खंयचें राज्य आसूं, महाराष्ट्र आसूं किंवा कर्नाटक आसूं, आमचे वयरसून तेंची इकॉनॉमी चलता. आमी तेंचेर व्हडलेशें डिपेंड ना. आमकां जर फाल्यां हांगा जाल्यार आमी फ्लायटीन सुद्दां दुसरे कडसून हाडूंक शकता. अशें व्हडलें आमी व्हडलें केअर करिनात तेंकां.
Vegetable vendors from Panji market feared that the prices of vegetables will shoot up if government doesn't act fast. Independent MLA Vijay Sardesai raised the issue in the State Assembly and demanded a statement from the government. Prudent questioned Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar. He said it's not fair on the part of the transporters as Goa government has already assured them to resolve the issue and consider concession for them.
आणि तांकां आमी स्पश्ट सांगिल्लें आसा 15 दीस असेंब्ली जाल्या नंतर आमी हाजेर कितें तरी विचार करून तुमकां सवलत दिता. इतलें आसतना ते जर कितें करता आसत जाल्यार हें बरोबर न्हय. वयल्यान नुकसान जें जातलें तें तांच्या भाजीवाल्यांचें नुकसान जातलें, दुकानदारांचें नुकसान जातलें आनी ट्रान्सपोर्टाचें नुकसान जातलें. म्हयन्यांनी म्हयने टेन्शन ना, कारण कॉर्पोरेशनचो जो फ्लो चालू उरलो जाल्यार कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. कॉर्पोरेशन तितलें वाडयतलें आनी फाल्यां सकाळीं तांच्यो गाडयो घेवना, आमी हांगच्यान भाड्या गाडयो घेवन थंय धाडूं शकता.
Bureau Report Prudent.
Government will launch its ambitious Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva health insurance scheme by first week of June. Scheme will provide health cover by up to 4.5 lakh rupees. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar declared this in the State Assembly on Wednesday. Minister also said that 89 postgraduate MD pass-outs will serve in the PHCs, CHCs and district hospitals in the state. This will ease out burden on the medical staff and improve medical services. Government will also consider extending the period of bonds signed by the MD students.
योजना DDSS अशें म्हटलां, दीन दयाळ स्वास्थ्य सेवा. म्हाका दिसता ही जी आमची नवीन मेडिकल कवराची योजना आसा, 4.5 लाखांपर्यंत 4 ते 4.5 लाखांपर्यंत आमकां कवर मेळटलें. एक्झॅक्ट फायनलायज आमी करूंक ना. इफ नॉट मे एंड एटलीस्ट बाय फर्स्ट फोर्टनायट ऑफ जून इट शूड बी स्टार्टेड. ते आमचे कडेन पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट स्टुडंट्स आसात, वर 89 इन नंबर. दर वर्सा 89 सीट्स आमचे कडेन आसात. त्यामुळे आमी तांकां शिकयतात, आमी तांचेर खर्च करतात आनी त्यामुळे तांची सेवा ह्या भुमीक लागूंक जाय. आनी त्यामुळे ते जो बॉन्ड एक्झिक्यूट करतात तो इम्प्लिमेंट होवन स्ट्रिक्टली करपाचो आमी ठरयला. त्यामुळे तांची MS किंवा MD परीक्षा जातकीर इवन बिफोर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ देअर रिजल्ट्स we are planning to utilize their services for health department. मागीर जी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल आसात कमी पडटात थंय PHC CHC आसात थंय धाडुया. वर्सभराक तांच्यांनी थंय काम करूं न्ही, फुकट न्हय. वी विल पे देम. ना वाय स्टायफंड, इट विल बी अ कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस पेमेंट. आनी त्यामुळे जो लोड GMCचेर आसा तो कमी जातलो. 1 वर्सा खातीर तो ग्रुप वापरलो, तांचो टर्म सोंपता म्हणे पर्यंत दुसरी बॅच येतली. 1.5 वर्साचें सुद्दां एग्रीमेंट घेवचो पडल्यार कांयच हरकत ना. वी आर फायनली पेईंग देम.
Radha Rao Gracious and Churchill Alamau have alleged that church played mischief during assembly election and is also playing the same on Mopa issue. They have asked the union government to intervene in the Mopa airport issue and stop all further procedures. They want Minister Alina Saldana to declare her clear stand on Mopa.
The church in Goa has played mischief for a very long time. The church in particular, we all know what it did during the last election. And the same mischief is sought to be played now. Everybody in Goa knows how the church preached and who the church supported last time. So if there was no meeting, why did they take a particular turn? Why did the Archdiocese authorities for the first time come out with a different line of attack in the church? It is an opportunity for the people of Goa to stand up and unitedly field candidates for North and South Goa and defeat the Congress and the BJP. That is what I would request the people.
Radha Rao Gracious and former PWD Minister Churchill Alamau briefed media on Wednesday. Gracious wants union government to intervene in matter and stop all the procedures of Mopa airport. They have given a deadline by end of May.
For us, it is the Congress government at center, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, who has to intervene and who has to immediately stop all further activities at Mopa. They must convey this to us at the earliest, maybe by the end of May, failing which we have no choice but to start an agitation. Let the government of India take over and say this is a civilian airport and let the Navy get out of it.
They also want Forest and Environment Minister Alina Saldana to declare her clear stand on Mopa.
She has to make it very clear to us whether she will continue to support this government and whether she supports Mopa, whether she is part of this government. You can't be here and there. And we are making it, I am particularly making it for Alina because Matani was part of us before he shifted sides, before he changed his ideology.
Former Minister Churchill Alamau claims that if people had to give clear mandate to SGF party, he would have scrapped Mopa at the initial stage.
जब mandate लगानो जरा 100% बंद करवा दो 100%. फिर आओ एकलो आनी दोग जायले आमी म्हाका तरी मॅन्डेट दिल्ली आज शुअर बंद उडोवपाचो कित्याक म्हाका मॅन्डेट दिवना तुमी दोग जायले जाले आमी SGF तरी म्हाका तरी मॅन्डेट दिल्ली म्हणजे उडोवपा जालो बंद.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.